let me tell you all, I ordered my second gift. Pending works that I realized when I started shooting. Finally did now. Hillary Rhoda ka bhi update video banana. And if I line my lips, I have already brew on. You will be seeing the swatch. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Prakriti. So in today's vlog I don't know what I will show you, but today is 26th of April, Monday, and we have to start this week. So I decided from this week itself I will do a weekly kind of vlog, so that every Sunday, or for that matter maybe the next week's Tuesday, you will be seeing what just happened in the whole week. And for every week I will have a documented vlog for myself to see as well, to see my progression. Also you will see what the BTS goes on behind content creation and all, now that I'm really taking it seriously, because I am seeing certain good results. So it also very much motivating for me as well to just document everything right there. And I'm thinking of many projects as well to take, and that I will obviously show it to you. So I need to document my whole journey overall. So for today I have to check what are the to-do list. So basically this is what I do for preparing my skin. So I'm ready to shoot at a stretch all the shots and reels that I need to do. Today is Monday, and I need to also schedule the whole week stuff. Already I did a little bit on Sunday itself, and jo bhi naya collabs and everything that I'm wanting to take, so that I will choose today itself, so that in next month I can work with those brands. Also I have decided to not take more than 2 skincare brands as such, because that will be very much confusing for you guys also try upon. Also for me to try and put it on my channel is very difficult, because if I don't feel like that works, then why I will show that product after all. So I have decided to limit the collaboration in terms of कि बहुत clearly everything get visible, ताकि मैं खुद try कर पाऊँ, and then things all the reviews dedicatedly on YouTube. Okay, so I haven't wrote anything, but it's there on my mind, so let me write it out clearly, ताकि एक बार ये sort हो जाए, then I know कि what to do. Basically Monday तो admin work ही रहता है, but I have some time to film as well, so that's why I just prepped my skin, and I will do that surely. Also I have to change my dress so that I can really get that Monday energy right in. So yeah, let me complete it for the week, and then I will catch you soon.
A few moments later. next morning.
Okay. Hello everyone. So today is 27th of May, and I am logging in right now. It's 2:30 p.m. and I was late, I know, but it's all worth it. Let me tell you what I did since morning. उससे पहले मैं ये बता देती हूँ कल क्या हुआ था. So basically after lunch I was doing, before lunch मैंने सब कुछ sort out कर लिया कि week का क्या करना है करके. Then I started doing the admin work, mails check and everything done, schedule everything for the entire week I did. And after that I had my lunch, and then after the lunch the whole scenario started changing. It was raining so bad. There was a power cut like for long hours, and I could not do anything like filming wise it was very unproductive, but back end work wise it was very productive day. I was chilling. I and me and my brother made some coffee, new style may we enjoyed that. Did finish all the editing, send everything to the brands on time. Monday में मैंने कर दिया. So it was a semi day, but shoot कुछ भी नहीं हुआ था, and it was so gloomy. I cannot do that as well क्योंकि I film on natural lighting. अब natural light नहीं होगा तो कैसे ही होगा. So I thought let it just postpone. So today I got ready in the morning, and let me tell you all, I ordered my second gift. Yeah, and just today in the morning I did. So now 1 month before my birthday. So in the morning I woke up and finally I took the decision to purchase and invest on a device that I'm anticipating for a long time now. So I was really skeptical, what should I do, which version to buy, like which model to buy. And so basically I purchased today on 27th of May. I purchased my second iPhone, which is iPhone 13. It's just one upgradation of my previous phone. So I'm not really exchanging my phone. मेरे पास जो iPhone 12 है वो तो रहेगा ही. This is my second phone that I'm purchasing. What I was doubting is that should I get the latest model, but then I thought every year latest कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा ही, निकलेगा ही. So what I can buy with full पैसा मैं वही ले लेती हूँ, because मुझे कुछ भी EMI के झंझट में नहीं पड़ना as of now. And I'm aiming to carry on with this phone for 2 years. After that I will change into Pro or something much more latest version. तब का तब सोचा जाएगा, but as of now which I can afford, that fits with my budget. So I got iPhone 13. I have already ordered it, and it will be arriving by tomorrow, which is 28th of July की बोलियो 28th of May by 11 p.m. That's what it's showing. And now it's currently 3 o'clock. It gonna be, no, I sat from 2:30. So I just logged in and started doing all the edits and all. And this day what I'm doing is that I'm getting ready and sitting for the edits. Otherwise I just keep on anticipating कि should I film or not, and when I delay it. So it's best to अब तैयार होके बैठो, so वो motivation भी मिलता है कि चलो कुछ film कर लिया जाए. So that's the update of a little bit, and I will catch you soon as the day passes. हो सकता है कि मैं इस वीडियो में नहीं दिखाऊँ फ़ोन कौन सा कलर लिया, कैसा GBs and all, वो बाद में दिखाऊंगी in my future vlogs or maybe in some video. So yeah, let me work now and tick all the to-do list of today.
The next morning.
फिलहाल तो इसी का दो.
Oh, okay.
ठीक है.
हाँ.
इसी का दो. ठीक है. हल्का पड़ गया.
Oh.
Much later.
Hello everyone. So today is the next day. It's 29th probably. Yeah, it is. And I will just, you know what happened yesterday, it was so gloomy and rainy all over the day that I could not film anything, because I told you all, natural light is the key. So today I got some, so I will do all the pending works that is remaining, and I have to send the footage to the brand as well. Few places got, like, I have to do certain changes, so wo मैं करूँगी. और and also the phone restoration is gonna complete by today itself या फिर tomorrow max. उसके बाद everything gonna, new phone gonna restore. I'm so happy to film on that. I mean, I'm very excited rather, and this phone is also there. So इस phone से उस phone में सब कुछ backup अभी हो रहा है, तो हो जाएगा probably soon. Now I'm editing and also I'm having my breakfast as well, so I will complete that and carry on with the day, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so this parcel has come. Let me open it and I will show you one beautiful thing. I know you guys are tired of seeing me the same lip liner, and I am too tired as well of using it so many times. So I thought, why not to get hands into a new one. So I finally got one. This is from the Faye Beauties. I have heard a lot about this brand, and now it's a moment of truth that I try. So one is this Faye Beauties lip liner, and I have heard a lot about it. Let me see how it works. I'm sure you guys are also tired of me seeing that old lip balm of mine, because you know that's my favorite one of all time that matches my lips. And this is a nail polish that I got from Oshia's Herbal. This is one of my favorite brand for nail polishes, because this one stays for a really long time. So these are the two things, and this is the color I got it. Now I will get ready to shoot something, so I will show you. So okay, so let me show you basically how this one looks. So this is the Faye Beauties one, and if I line my lips, I have already brew on. You will be seeing the swatch in terms of shots, but this is how it look like. Let me show you. Yeah, it's like a brickish orange color. Now I will shoot and complete the whole task, then I will show you the rest of the vlog. I will carry on. So yeah, let me complete it now. Okay, I'm done with all the shoots and the amount of mess I have created. Also, there is so much of lot of pending works that I realized when I started shooting. So let me show you all how it looks like. So this is the mess, you guys, and I had to shoot this one that I finally did now. Hilary Rhoda का भी update video बनाना था, वो भी हो गया. So I'm happy now that I am quite good done for the day. I will try to edit a video now for today's upload. If I can, I will do that. Otherwise, I will upload tomorrow. This is how I procrastinate basically, but this is how it is. अभी बहुत दिन बाद ना धूप निकली है, तो थोड़ा सा तो शूट करना बनता ही है. अदरवाइज ग्लूमी एंड रेनी डेज में जब हो जाता है, आई कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग, एंड कंटेंट वाइज आई lag behind, so that I do not like. So let me do it as much as I can, but I will try to put 2 videos in this week also, like the last week. If you haven't seen the last week's videos and vlog, please do that. Highly request. Makeup also makes things way. Oh no, this. Okay, so I'm just here to take the outro of this video. Let me close it now. Mera Sunday or Saturday, I'm working on this a project of mine now, so I don't want to carry on with, and I'm very hopeful for this. Let me see how it goes. I do not want to hurry because I want it should be done at its own pace, but at the same time I'm very excited, and जब तक ये finish नहीं होता है मेरे सर पे एक burden सा रहेगा ही. So let's see how it goes, and I will tell you all in future vlogs, or you will come to know eventually. And yeah, that's it for this video. Also do let me know if there's any problem in the sound and audio quality of mine, because I'm doubting that the camera of mine, इसका audio में कुछ ना कुछ तो गड़बड़ हुआ है. So let me do that in the comment section. So that's it for this vlog. I will carry on with my sit down vlog videos as well soon. So yeah, that's it. So I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so